Can genetically modified crops help African farmers escape from poverty and hunger? Dr. Matthew Schnurr and his team are innovating a new mixed methods approach to evaluate whether these much heralded technologies constitute an appropriate technology for poor African farmers. This SSHRC-funded research focuses on the case study of Uganda, a country with one of the largest experimental programs dedicated to GM crops in Africa. Efforts there are concentrated on GM versions of the East African highland banana, the country's primary carbohydrate staple. Current experimental trials are transferring genes to make GM bananas that are resistant to the crop's most persistent pests and diseases, as well as banana that is biofortified with vitamin A to help reduce maternal and infant mortality. Over the past 2 years, Dr. Schnurr and his team have randomly recruited more than 250 farmer participants from across the country's 3 major growing regions. This project pioneers a novel methodological approach that relies on visual aids, theoretical scenarios, and side-by-side comparisons designed to bridge the gap between hypothetical exercises and farm-level realities. While quantitative data analysis is still ongoing, 2 preliminary results have already emerged. Female farmers are more skeptical of GM crops than male farmers and seem more concerned about potential impacts on health and environment. Farmers with larger land size are more enthusiastic about adopting GM bananas, which raises potential questions about whether these technologies are capable of helping the poorest and most vulnerable. Qualitative data reveal that farmers have considered and thoughtful perspectives on GM banana. The final stage of this research involves working with Canadian-based donors and African agencies to create agricultural policies and experimental programs that reflect farmers' perceived opportunities, risks, and concerns. In this way, this SSHRC-funded research will contribute to the broader debate over the potential for GM crops to transform African agricultural production and empower impoverished farmers.